Hey guys, welcome to In the Zones. Last video we talked about self-regulations and our zones. Now remember, self-regulation is the process our brain goes to help regulate our emotions and how we react to problems and how we can calm our body down. Now, we know the zones, our green, our yellow, our blue, and our red zone. Today, we are going to talk about the size of the problem. And it's important to remember that your reaction to a problem needs to match the size of the problem. Now, if you look underneath the video, you will see a scale that starts at a tiny problem to a huge problem. Now, let's talk about that. So our tiny and our little problems are something that we can solve on our own. That might be something that you and a friend had a problem with, or that you lost something. That is a tiny problem. Now, the tiny problem is something that you solve on your own because you need to learn how to react to that small problem, because those problems are things that probably happen more often than medium problems or big problems, okay? So we need to know how to act if something happens like that again, okay? And our medium and our big problems are problems that happen that you might want to bring to an adult's attention. So things like having hands-on, or you used your words with somebody and they didn't listen to your words, that's something that you can bring to an adult because you tried, and now the adult might need to step in. Now your huge problems, those are problems for adults and professionals like police, ambulance, which is our paramedics, or our firefighters. Okay, now I want you to remember your reaction needs to match the size of the problem. Okay, so little to tiny problems is something that you should try to solve on your own first. Okay, now it's important to remember about the size of the problem because it helps us remember how we reacted and how we should react if the problem happens again. Okay, so check out the next video on part 2 for the size of the problem